Hey guys, I hope you're having a wonderful morning. Today I'd like to answer this question of does exercise, taking a walk, or just doing any physical activity help with your teeth grinding? Yes, to some extent actually, physical exercise helps with reducing the frequency of teeth grinding through like that exercise relieving like let's say upper surface level stress. So of course when you jog, when you break a sweat, of course the stress or the tension you are having in your upper body or in your body goes lower. So you end up feeling less stressed, like you end up releasing something. But does it fully address the chronic nature of your teeth grinding? Of course it doesn't. I want you to imagine exercise as like cleaning a fish pond. So when you're cleaning a fish pond, you remove the exercise is like removing what's in the upper surface, like in the what's floating in the water. So if the fish tank is still dirty, the same that will still come back to the surface. So the exercise will be removing the upper layers. Of course it will look cleaner at first sight, but after some time it will get dirty again, or you start seeing the dirt in that pond. So that's what exercise does. It just does help with the surface level, but it doesn't really go deeper to cleaning that fish pond. That's the same thing with the chronic teeth grinding. Exercise, jogging removes the upper surface, but it doesn't really go deeper to those layers where this stress is coming from. So let's say now in the analogy of the fish tank, if you really need to overcome chronic grinding, you have to really go to that fish tank and really clean that fish tank. If you clean that fish tank, it will get to the point where it will have less dirt, and by having less dirt, that's equivalent to less stress. So it will mean that the frequency of that grinding or that grinding will not have something behind the scenes, will not have that behind the scenes which is fueling it over and over again. And then now things like exercise will just be there for clearing the dirt or any stress which arises on a day-to-day basis. Hope that makes sense. So it does help, but when it's become chronic, you will need to go deeper first and clean the tank, which is now the tank can be equivalent to trauma, deep underlying issues, deep emotional issues, negative beliefs you have about yourself. By dealing with that, you'll be dealing with the chronic nature of the stress, because those are the things which actually lead to you chronically grinding your teeth, or you grinding your teeth without having that control. It is the things which are buried beneath the surface which drive your teeth grinding, not above the surface. Above the surface can be easily dealt with because you can see them, but those things that are deeper and deeper are what's driving your grinding. And by cleaning that fish tank, or by changing that fish tank, you're changing you. By changing the you, you're also shedding away all those toxic or unhealthy habits you've picked up and you've become accustomed to. That's how you now deal with chronic teeth grinding. Exercise may help others because they may not have a lot of dirt or a lot of underlying issues or a lot of pent-up emotions, but for others it may not really help, and for others it may really make it worse, because something about doing all these practices like jogging, exercise, when you do something actually when you are, and let's say when you are practicing jogging and you've been told that jogging helps with grinding, when that thing fails and you are someone who's used to berating themselves when they fail, it means that when that thing fails you end up beating yourself up. Then by beating yourself up you end up getting more and more stressed, and when you get more stressed it leads to more and more grinding. So you just have to be watchful, and when you try these things, just understand that sometimes it may not work, sometimes it may work, but what really works is going deeper and finding that root cause of the underlying issues which are driving your current behaviors. Hope you found that informative, guys. Until next time, have a nice day.